switches, breakers.
Hey Denise, check this out. Productivity is way up. Great job.
What if my boss didn't think that I could do it?
What if I never got the promotion?
What if I wasn't able to work my way here?
Morning, team.
All of you could be president of an operating company someday. That is very, very doable. That should be inspiring.
What if nothing stood in your way? Join us at a Sonepar company.
Where you can dream bigger, push the limits,
and imagine your possibilities.